Imagine yourself in this 2007 Dodge Ram 2500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: leather upholstery, power outlet, door pocket, auto-dimming mirrors, compass, chrome bumper, 3-point rear seatbelts, and trailer wiring. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.